Most importantly, the audio is on. Define conditional probability 16.10116.101. Given two events A and B, the conditional probability P parentheses A line B end of parentheses is the probability that event A will occur given that event B has occurred. The conditional probability cannot be calculated simply from P A and PB. These probabilities alone do not give enough information to determine the conditional probability. It can, however, be determined if you are also given the probability of an intersection of events A and B, P parentheses A intersection and B end of parentheses B end of parentheses, the probability that events A and B both occur. Specifically, P parentheses A line B end of parentheses equals P parentheses A and B end of parentheses divided by P parentheses B parentheses. For instance, suppose you have a jar containing 2 red marbles, and to find the probability that B occurs given that A occurs, P parentheses B line A end of parentheses, then we can compute it using the fact that P parentheses A end of parentheses is 1/2, and P parentheses A and B is end of parentheses is 1/3. The latter may not be obvious, but you can be determined by finding the probability of 1/2 and 2/3. End of parentheses. Therefore, P parentheses B line A end of parentheses equals P parentheses A and B end of parentheses crossing the fraction line into a denominator, P parentheses A end of parentheses equals 1/3 divided by 1/2, which equals 2/3. This is the end of defined conditional probability 16.101 or 16.101.